Ooh, time for a train. I don't know if you can hear that. Anyway, shooting this just on my phone, so lighting's not going to be super great. Anyway, just measuring out for putting in this sliding wall. So basically all here, this is going to have two drawer slides mounted to it. One down here roughly, and the other one up here. About the height, you can see the little black mark up there on the door frame. And I have one, where is it? Yeah, about right there. That's about the total height of the sliding sort of shelf wall that's going to be in there. I might have to adjust a bit because I still need to knock a hole up in this upper corner for the dryer vent. And then I'll also need to clearance the back of it around there. Okay, yeah, so this is it. I mean, it's all the way back there, so you could see if the wall was all the way there, there'd be interference. So I'll need to, wherever that ends up being on that shelf wall, I'll need a clearance around there. But yeah, you can see it comes pretty much right to the front of the door frame as well. So yeah, anyway, there's that. All right, another thing I need to do is cut some strips to run along the wall here to mount those drawer slides to, because otherwise if I mount them just there, you know, they're not going to clear this. All right, cutting the 3/4, but at least I have some scrap of that, so sweet. Here we go, zoom out. Okay, I got 2 strips cut here from an offcut of countertop, cutting out for a sink, so these should work. And yeah, the way this will go, right like this. Yeah, that's close enough. So yeah, these will screw on here. Let's see, won't quite make the stud back there. It's not quite long enough. I'll make it up front here. But yeah, I think I'll do some construction adhesive as well on it, just to add a little bit to the strength. So yeah, next shot should be hopefully these in place. Alrighty, got one up there. Yeah, decided to mount it at the back. Make sure to hit that stud. It does have construction adhesive behind it, but I figure since the front of the drawer slide is going here into the door frame, which then of course goes into stud wall, that be more important to have support, like full support on that at the back, because it's going to span this little gap here and be okay. So yeah, next getting a hinge on there, or slide. Yeah, slides is what they are. All right, so here's how hinges, or slides, I keep saying hinges, the slides are going to work. Yeah, here's the little closet. Open it up, and the only thing is you do have to open the door all the way to make clearance for it, which kind of annoying, but it is what it is. But yeah, so washer will be on bottom, dryer will be on top, and then I only have the top slide in so far. Get this level off there so it doesn't fall. The bottom one will go down there, but basically you open this up, and then yeah, there will be a panel that's mounted to this, goes all the way down to about this mark here. I have like a 5-foot chunk of plywood that I'm going to cut for it, mount to this. But yeah, so then that whole thing, take it and it'll open up all the way, and so you'll have basically, I mean, full extension out the door. So you'll be able to access all the shelves going all the way down to here. And yeah, then you're done, put it, because with the washer and dryer in place, there'll be, you know, maybe about, I don't know, this much room, maybe like six or so inches ish. Yeah, because they'll be here to this side, but yeah, so there'll be about that much room for shelves. And so obviously with it all the way back in there and the washer and dryer coming up to about here in height, you wouldn't really be able to get to anything. So this will allow a whole wall to basically be mounted to it with shelves on it, and the whole thing comes out like that. So yeah, just got to get the second one in place. Alrighty, here's the bottom one. Here's the top one. Panel is cut. Now I just got to find some things to stack it on that'll get it to the right height so I can attach it to the slides here. Alrighty, got that cut out. Give it plenty of space around. Yeah. Only annoyance is I couldn't find my little 1/2-inch screws, so I got little screws peeking through because I only had 3/4. That's alright, I think I'll just run it with the 3/4 and then trim them down, as 5/8 would really be about the perfect one, and I don't have any 5/8 screws, I know, but I have plenty of these 3/4, and having a little more screw in there is not going to hurt anything. Yeah, and eventually it'll be covered with shelves anyway, so you won't really see it. But yeah, so I mean, here's the whole premise of it. Got slides there, and I got crap in the way out here. Let me move some stuff. All right, so yeah, eventually this will have like a, you know, I'll do like a little pull or something here, because right now it's sort of hard to grab, but yep, the whole thing basically comes all the way out like this. So you have that there. Washer and dryer, of course, will be in here, and then you have full access to this panel for, you know, I'll run shelves down it, so laundry detergents, whatever, cleaning supplies and stuff that need to be out here, dog shampoo, etc. And then when you're done, goes all the way back in there, and the door fully closes. I'll show you that, but I got a stool right in the way right now. I think you get the point. And the wind wants to close it on me anyway. But yeah, so there it is. Sliding shelf wall. Probably do a little follow-up on this once the shelves are fully complete and that's all installed and washer and dryer's in place. Everything hooked up. I did leave room up top there. I moved the whole panel down a little bit just to make room for dryer duct. I might need to do like a little hanger just to keep it totally away from the shelves or whatever, but that's no big deal. Anyway, that's it.